Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to clear app usage data on iPhone. So the essence of app usage data on your iPhone is for Apple to collect all your app activities so that it can be used to personalize your ads on your iPhone. So basically here, I'll walk you through how you can delete or remove or clear all app usage data on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the settings app, just want to scroll down until you get to the App Store. So just scroll through and see App Store and then click on it. So on iOS 18, you want to go ahead and click on Apps. Then once you click on Apps, under Apps, locate and click on App Store. Then while on the App Store page, you want to scroll down the page, scroll down until you see Show how your data is managed. And then click on it under Privacy. Then once you click on that, you should see App Store and Apple Arcade. Then go ahead, click on personalized recommendations under privacy. Now, once you click on personalized recommendation under privacy, you'll be prompted to confirm your Face ID or use your iPhone passcode. Then under your usage of apps, you should say clear app data. Now to clear your app data, go ahead and click on that. Then you should spot that says clear app usage data. Clearing will only remove app usage data used for personalization on this device. So to delete or clear your app usage data on your iPhone, go ahead and click on that. Then you're good to go. You can now go ahead and click on done at the top right again. Then exit the page. So that is basically how to clear app usage data on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.